single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use espresso machine. So this is the cup that we're going to use, and this is the machine. I already put water in the water tank of this machine. So what I am going to do is turn it on. So when it greens, green,
no.
meaning it's time to use the machine. So I will release this capsule. I don't know what is the meaning of this capsule holder. So then I'm going to put capsule. So this espresso, I'm going to make this for my friend. So I will put back the capsule holder. Then I'm going to put paper cup, or I'm going to use this cup much better. So now I'm going to put this down and put it on number 2. Then press this. Wow! So this espresso is for my friend. So it's done. We're going to turn it off. Lastly, I'm going to release the capsule inside. And done. We're going to put it in the trash. And it's ready for my friend. So guys, our espresso is done and ready to serve for my friend. So my friend is ready to drink, and of course she's so shy. Okay, I will show her a little bit.
Nice.
Oh, so the feedback is good, right?
Yes.
Yummy? Is it yummy? Oh, beautiful. Wow. The espresso is beautiful, but this one is much beautiful. Sorry guys, my friend is so shy.
Guys. Bye guys.
Okay guys, so I will take another one. I'm going to make cappuccino. Where do you want to put, here or in the cup?
Yes.
This one. So our machine is ready. So this is what I am going to use. Paper cup. Life begins after coffee. Are you agree with that? Okay. So we're going to put milk. We're going to use milk first. Oh. I'm going to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I am going to put into 5. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's not really watery. So now our cappuccino milk is done. Since the baby or the kid will drink, I'm not going to put the coffee or the cappuccino itself. So I'm going to release the capsule. Put it in the trash bin. And we're done. It's done to serve. It's done and